Which information should you to provide for a precise CNC machine part quotation? Hello everyone, I'm Joanna Hu from VMT. The principle of VMT CNC machine part quotation is to provide the lowest price possible to reduce the customer's cost on the premise of meeting the customer's quality requirement. For this, we need customers to provide us with the 5 pieces of information as below. 1. First, let's look at what is needed for 2D joint. Marking tolerance requirement, important dimensions, material, surface treatment. What are the documents that need to be prepared in 3D LIGS tab format? 3. The possible quantity of the first order, the possible quantity of future orders, and the possible quantity of annual orders. 4. Applications of CNC part. 5. If it has been done before. Inform about the quality problems of the previous CNC machine part after the customer provides complete information. Our engineer team will use the information to select the best CNC machine method and calculate the cost of each step. The above is the information that needs to be provided for CNC part processing quotations. If you have any questions related to CNC machine, please leave a message.